Why manage dozens of dashboards when one intelligent engine can bring them all together? Most enterprises today are buried under siloed data. Finance in one system, sales in another, operations somewhere else. Insights get delayed, decisions lose precision, growth slows. With Power BI embedding, analytics no longer live outside your workflow. They live inside your portal, your CRM, your ERP, wherever your teams already work. A single license delivers analytics to thousands, cutting costs, scaling securely, and simplifying access. One dashboard, one source of truth. At Impressico, we're helping our clients build reporting portals powered by embedded Power BI, transforming complex reporting problems into seamless, intelligent solutions. Every user sees only what they're meant to, thanks to enterprise-grade data security. Finance sees real-time cash flows, sales tracks live targets, operations optimizes resources, customer service monitors performance, all from the same embedded dashboard. Teams don't need new tools or training. They get interactive filters, AI-driven insights, drill-down analytics, live refreshes in seconds. Across industries, it enables you to consolidate insights in one place and seamlessly share them with external stakeholders. Power BI embedding with Impressico. Efficiency in every insight, intelligence in every decision, privacy at every step.